everyone.
Okay, there we go.
In a few moments, the police commissioner will update on the status of the investigation into the tragic passing of Mr. Freddie Gray. He's joined by Deputy Commissioner Kevin Davis, who is the Deputy Commissioner in charge of the Investigations and Intelligence Bureau. We will not be taking any questions at this press conference, as we have, this is no longer our investigation. It would be inappropriate for us to do so. Commissioner.
Good morning. Please forgive my voice as it cracks. At approximately 8:50 this morning, our task force charged with investigating the tragic death of Mr. Freddie Gray turned over the contents of that investigation to the state attorney's office. In many of these cases that I've been in for 3 different police departments, one of the things that the families always asked is, how long is it going to take? Out of due care for the family, the citizens, the police officers, I set a date, not the mayor, I set a date to get this done. I was communicating clearly I wanted a sense of urgency on this case to get the results out there. We dedicated 30+ detectives. Their full-time job was focused on this case and only this case, including lab personnel and academy personnel and homicide detectives in our FIT team. The family and the community and the public deserve transparency and truth. The task force heeded my call, and we have exhausted every lead at this point in time. But this does not mean that the investigation is over. Let me repeat. This does not mean that the investigation is over. If new evidence is found, we will follow it. If new direction is given by the state's attorney, we will obey it and we will follow through with the investigation. We will also further investigate at the request of the state attorney to bring forth any other witnesses that we find. I understand the frustration, I understand the sense of urgency, and so has the organization, and that is why we have finished it a day ahead of time, meeting and foregoing my conclusions already. I also know that getting to the right answer is more important than the speed. Making sure that we look and overturn every rock is more important than just coming forth and giving a document. I know that the state's attorney is committed to seeing justice, and from this point on we will take all our directions from the state attorney because it is now their case. I will bring up Deputy Commissioner Kevin Davis to talk about the task force that he headed.
Good morning, and thank you, Commissioner. As the Commissioner stated, we turned over the case this morning to the state's attorney's office. However, that case remains very active, and we're continuing to work around the clock. Let me just walk you through the timeline once again. And we went over this, but we have some new information to share with you. On the morning of April the 12th, the police encountered Freddie Gray along the 1600 block of North Avenue, and that's when Freddie Gray ran from the police. We made an apprehension of Mr. Gray along the 1700 block of Pressbury. We stated earlier, and we're just confirming again today, that the first stop of the wagon after the apprehension site was at Mount and Baker. The second stop has been revealed to us during the course of our investigation and was previously unknown to us. We discovered this new stop based on our thorough and comprehensive and ongoing review of all CCTV cameras and privately owned cameras, and in fact this new stop was discovered from a privately owned camera. So the new stop by our wagon was at Fremont and Mosier. Again, that's new to us. And from there the wagon stopped next at Druid Hill and Dolphin, then at North Avenue and Pennsylvania Avenue to pick up an additional prisoner, and then the wagon arrived at the Western District. From the Western District, Mr. Gray was then transported to shock trauma, where he died a week later. Our investigation continues. We continue to work in partnership with the state's attorney's office. Major Stan Branford, our homicide commander, is leading this investigation of very talented folks who are working very hard, not only for the police department, but for the city of Baltimore, and we look forward to additional progress in this case as time goes by. Thank you.
Deputy Commissioner, thank you very much.
Can you talk about the
We're going to continue. We will continue to do regular briefings throughout
All right,
the day.
so